Hello everyone, this is your Shanti Hanuman. Welcome to Amma Cooking. Today I want to share an interesting and fun vlog with you. I hosted a kitty party recently and I wanted to share all those fun and exciting moments with all of you. Everybody believes that kitty party is a waste of time and effort, but that's not true. And I am sure that opinion will fade away after watching this video. So let's get started. Generally, kitty party is followed by lunch, and this is the menu for today. All the recipes for the dishes are already there on my channel. We'll put all the links in the description box. Do check them out. We all enjoyed eating all these nice dishes. Hope you do too. We generally decide on a dress code for the party, and this time it was red because it's December and it's the Christmas season. Generally sit for a while and chit chat to catch up on what's going on in all our lives, and alongside that we are enjoying the starters with some crazy discussions. The laughter in the room is so high on vibes that I could not mute it. After some time we changed the location, and how can we stop a group of ladies from taking pictures in a pretty place, and hence the photo shoot starts. Fun is the medicine to all the stress in life. So we decided to combine both and create a Pani Puri competition. Watch ahead to find out who is the Pani Puri queen. Presenting the Pani Puri queens. Congratulations! Deep discussion has begun regarding the prizes in the Ambola. Why don't you see it yourself? And that's how the post-game celebrations go on. Finally, after getting super tired with all the fun, we have decided to eat up. That's how the party went, and hoping you guys loved it. This kind of refreshment is a necessity, especially in these times when we cannot go out to have fun. Hope after watching this video, all the ladies out there go and join a fabulous group of friends and start their own kitty party. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content. We'll see you soon with another exciting video. Thank you.